It's nothing. It's just a truck. Yeah. This is the glamours of trying to rush from one job to the next. Not bad. Little box truck. I think he's got some kilos in it. I don't see any there here either. Besides this stuff, I don't need this thing. Okay, so we're gonna grab some evap no rinse stuff. I guess grab a couple cans of that. Let me see this garbage. No, let's use this. Here, you get 2 of these and 2 of these. These are evaps. We have Gallo pressure.
You should still have about 10 pressures as well.
No, I just put another box in there.
Oh, okay.
Coil brush. Coil brush.
Yeah. So this comes with the scale. It's basically a smart solenoid. What you do is you set in the app the refrigerant type and the set point you want to fill to.
Sweet.
And it'll automatically fill to that.
That's
set
hot.
point. So
And you can walk away from it if you have.
Yep.
Yeah.
You don't have
That's
to
hot.
play with it. There's no on or off. There's no. None
So
of
then
that.
these,
And this works with this. They all
Okay.
work together. All in
and then
the.
here are your wireless ones.
Yep.
These are nice.
Yes,
and
if you just want to, pressure and vacuum
Yep.
reading,
Beautiful.
easy. But literally, you turn this on, you turn this on, everything links up automatically.
That's hot.
It's all, they're trying to make a package, so you
Oh,
don't have to
Testo
use
is the
it.
best, dude. If you ask me, bro.
It's German quality.
It's awesome. Yeah, German engineering. They say
That's what it is.
cars, everything, bro.
No, that's what it is, man.
This is beautiful too. Nice combustion analyzer. Sweet. How much does this go for?
I don't know the over-the-counter
Okay.
price. You'd have to ask them 'cause
Gotcha.
I work for the manufacturer.
Yeah. Cool.
But can you do me a favor?
Yes.
I've reached out to your company several times.
You have?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I give you my card?
Of course.
Maybe
I'll
you
give
can-
it right to my manager. Ed.
Yeah, and let them know if you guys need any training on anything.
Gotcha.
We do training, no charge. If
Cool.
you guys are using our stuff, you buy Testo,
Yeah.
we'll do Testo training
Awesome.
with you guys,
Cool.
Same thing with Residio Honeywell. I don't know if you guys are using our thermostats.
Yeah, we use the T6 like crazy.
Yeah. We can private label them for you guys.
Yes,
at
and
no
we
cost.
actually do that.
You
So
do that?
yeah, we do proprietary.
Got
We've
it.
done them in the past, but then it's gotten so busy we can't keep up with them.
Gotcha.
But I'm gonna have Ed, my manager, call you.
Ed, okay.
Yeah, Ed.
That'd be great.
He's
Or
awesome.
email or
Yeah,
I
or
just
you
like
get
to
in touch
open
with him.
dialogue.
Yeah.
I'm not looking to sell anything. I just want to, if you guys are using our stuff, I'd love to help you out, do training, whatever.
He's
you
the
guys
one who,
need.
like I said, just ordered my new ones yesterday, so he believes in Testo also. So
Perfect.
awesome.
And what's your names?
Paul,
Paul, Brendan, nice to meet you.
Joey?
guys. Yeah, Joey.
Joey, nice to meet you, brother.
Thank you. It was nice
Take
to
care.
meet
You
you
too.
guys.
Awesome guy. We're going to a warehouse up in a couple 20 minutes from White Plains to just change filters, clean the coils, flush the threads. See when we get there. Alright guys, so we're going to be changing the filters on 5 of these heat pumps, and they have the ductwork that needs to be, you need to keep the fan on at all times in order for the ducts to stay open. It's a warehouse style, it's pretty cool. But I know on one of these zones, it's over the cafeteria and they get a little pissed, so we're going to save that one till last. Because then when you open the duct back up, all the dust comes flying out. There's a lot of cardboard debris in this unit, in this is fair warehouse. Yeah, this is 1 month because it's all cardboard debris. I'll show you when I pull it out. That's crazy. Heat pump. So we're just gonna do filter changes, quick coil clean. And I don't even think this is in their contract for the condensers because it's a monthly service. They get the condensers done annually. Okay. But right now we're just doing filter changes, belt changes, flush the drains, and then just check operation. I poured the water down that side already. Okay. Then we're going to pour the water down here. Now I'm going to turn the power on. I'll show you how the duct's open. Okay, we're going to put this down to 72. Fan always stays on. It's wired to on. Even if you hit auto, it stays on because these ducts have to stay full. There we go. Wait the 5-minute delay for the cool to go on, and then they'll be all right. I have my co-worker getting a gallon of water. I just want to drain the evaporator. I thought he did it already. I want to get him to drain the trap, which comes out over here. So drain the pan, so just to make sure it's clear. There's so much debris in this place. Literally all cardboard dust. Flush, these things do no good here, but that's all right. It's 2017. Battery. 460. Just on the indoor. So that's why when I clean it, it's grimy. Not too fast, but enough to get it through. Keep going. It's either going to come through the drain or on the floor. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, there you go. That's good. Okay? And now we're going to give it one more Gallo cartridge on this side. Yep. View, and then just put the cap on. On to the next one. You got the condensate pump, so just make sure the pump kicks on to test that. One month again. Gonna need that evaporator coil cleaner and the their breath because they hate this dust wash. Oh. Guys, so I have 5 more of these to do. I got this one and then 2 way over there. But I just want to say thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And just a small maintenance today. I thought I'd get on video. Take care. Thank you for everything.